Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends when you're watching this video from. It's your boy xhaka, and so in today's episode I will walk you through how to trace about on resistance using downtrend or uptrend to spot it. So if you're a new trader out there, kindly follow a step by step. Stop finding support and resistance trading opportunity when market is in range. As far as I'm concerned, it's a losing trade. So this is how to trade it. This is how to pick it up in downtrend. So when you spot the market moving in downtrend or uptrend, the only thing you need to do is to find an area where the market seems to go up but collapse. That is break of structure and collapse down below. That's this. When you spot such, it's a very high point of interest as a resistance. Likewise others. So this is how I pick it up. You see how I pick it up with single lines, picking up the lows and highs. So now the same thing happened down below. You get the point. So now looking at downtrend, we spot such formation that we use as our resistance down below, meaning that this is another support. You get the point. So the market was in downtrend. After a while, it broke up the structure, so we think it will go up to meet the resistance. You get the point now. So you have picked 2 points of interest where you'll be looking for resistance and support at the same time where the market is in downtrend. So I'm hoping that if the market goes up to the place I called my resistance, I'll be finding a trading opportunity. You get the point. So we wait patiently for days because this is for our time frame. We can spot this opportunity in 5 minutes anyway, but what matters is the principal guide. Now the market is about to hit the resistance zone, but it's not yet there. We wait patiently for more days or more hours. Currently the price was at that very zone. The only thing you need to do now is to find a chart pattern and find a very good place as your target. So I picked my best target, high time frame. So now I'm finding the chart pattern. Currently the markets are break up the highs. They break up the highs again. That doesn't show me that the market has changed, but because this is a very high point of interest. So I'm still considering to see any chart pattern to do what, to enter the trade. No matter that you have overshoots, I doesn't care. Now as I'm waiting for fake out pattern to complete its process, I spotted what is called head and shoulder pattern. It's a very good one. So what I will do now is wait for the market to clear this last low. If the market does that, eventually I'm going to the trade and target my first target. You get the point. So that's where I set my stop loss. So if the market breaks out with any candle, we are targeting this very zone we marked out. So watching at the screen, see it starts breaking out, so we hit our target. Let's wait if the market will go away. So if the market goes away, it's a very nice trade. That's how to trade it. It's not a rocket science. You can develop this as a trading strategy. It pays quite a lot. So let's wait for fine. Our target has been hit. So if this is the first time coming across this channel, I will urge you to subscribe, click on the notification bell, ask your question below. Anything you need about trading that is quite confusing and you're struggling about it for years, kindly hit me on comments box. Bye.